G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's September 7, 2023. This is the US dollar basket update. On the daily, first off, you can see here our price has been going from the support line here at 99.12 and it's hitting this minor resistance at 10.466. Now it's bounced off that in a couple of days, and today it's still showing a very slight bearish candle as we speak. But you'll notice the CCI is still in an upswing, although it's leveling out. And the Stochastic likewise is still in an upswing as well, past the midpoint. Now on the hourly, we did draw this. Again, there's that minor resistance at 10.466. Since our last update, it did hit our target area here on the retrace, on this little divergence. There was a bearish divergence versus the price, that little area there, and it hit our target. And it's now bounced off close to the halfway between the 50% and the 61%, and that's always a key area to look out for when looking at a potential reversal, and it's done that quite nicely there. You can see there it's made further advancements. Now what we're looking at here at the moment is another bearish divergence. It's hard to see that trend line, but it's a bearish divergence there on the CCI versus a bullish divergence on the price. So at the moment we're expecting a bit of a retrace. Of course it can still break higher than that resistance, and if it does we'll have to readjust the divergence. So long as this CCI still trends downward and below that point there, we're going to consider this a bearish divergence. But at the moment, if it breaks down from here and continues on a downslope, we're going to potentially look at where to enter potentially short. So that's a nice trend hitting those bottoms and cutting through that there. So if it breaks below that area there, we're going to then look at a target area between that low and that high, and we'll place a target area between the 23% and the 38% level. So if it breaks below that trend line, that'll be our initial target area in the short term as a potential retracement at the very least. Now, of course, it can go either way. If it can keep going up, but as I said, as long as the CCI keeps dropping, we're going to consider this divergence in play, and it could actually break below this and fall much further. And if it does that, we'll keep an eye on it, and we'll let you know how it goes from there. So at the moment, to understand how to trade using the average down approach or even the trend trading strategies or the divergence strategies, subscribe and support us more on the Patreon page where we look at weekly scans for stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in a future video.